Dual cam doorbell with chime. How to work with the app. Download the app and set up the system. Open App Store, find IC Home. Log in IC Home account. Long press the boot button until you hear the prompt sound. Doorbell working. Slide blue, doorbell working. The chime solid blue, network connected. How to connect to IC Home app. Turn on Bluetooth. Let it find a nearby doorbell automatically.
Device.
Anti-tampering alarm turn on. Click to enter the real-time view. Someone ringing the doorbell. Text message to speech. Voice changing function. Protect privacy. Installation method 1. Back glue pasting installation. The doorbell also to be installed on the backboard with a detaching pin.